Do you want to hop on the Sadie Sync edit trend, but you're on CapCut and have no idea how to reverse edit? Then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you the full reverse editing technique on CapCut that looks exactly like After Effects. So before we start, you can support me by subscribing to my channel, because my goal is to beat the 1,000 subscribers in 2026. Get your clip ready. Make sure you've got optical flow activated. Now copy my velocity settings. Export. Add your saved clip into a new project. Now duplicate and reverse. Copy my velocity settings again. Almost done. Export one last time, add to your new project, and do the zooms like I do. Basically, we're done. You can add some flashes and shakes if you want.